In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create letterhead design in Canva. We'll build a clean, professional letterhead using Canva's elements and a ready-made letter template, and I'll share practical tips to keep everything polished and print-friendly. Start by opening Canva and choosing a letter template. You can search for letter in the template library and pick a design that matches your brand's vibe. This gives you the correct page size and margins right away, which is helpful for a neat layout. Next, head to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar, type letterhead. You'll see graphics designed specifically for headers and footers, including shapes, waves, lines, and patterns. Select a graphic you like from the Graphics section. Aim for something simple and versatile. Subtle shapes tend to print well and won't compete with your text. Place your chosen graphic at the top to create a header. Drag the corners to resize, and use the handles to reposition until it sits comfortably across the page. Keep a clear area for your letter content. Leaving about an inch of space from the top edge usually looks balanced. If your graphic covers text, use the position options to send it backward or forward as needed. Now add a matching element for the footer. Insert another graphic from Elements and place it at the bottom of the page. Resize and align it so the top and bottom designs feel related. Consistency in color, stroke weight, and style will make the whole letterhead look intentional. If you want a second variation, click Add Page below your design. On this new page, go back to Elements, search again for letterhead, and insert a fresh graphic. Resize and reposition it at the top or bottom. Then add a complementary shape in the same color family. Rotate it slightly if needed to create a dynamic corner accent. Then resize and anchor it to the footer. Small rotations can add energy without overwhelming the page. With the structure in place, you can add your personal or company details. Use text boxes for the name, address, website, and other essentials, and keep them within safe margins so nothing gets cut off. Align text with your graphics, match colors using the color picker, and consider reducing the transparency of decorative shapes for a lighter, print-friendly look. Finally, review spacing and alignment. Headers and footers should frame your content, not crowd it. That's it. Your letterhead is ready to make your correspondence look professional and on brand.